Imagine a terrifying situation where the United States, the most powerful superpower in the world, is threatened by nuclear weapons. Launched from far-off places like North Korea or Russia, Intercontinental Ballistic Missiles, ICBMs, rain down from the sky. Have you ever imagined such a situation? It may seem like an unimaginable nightmare, but the truth is that ICBMs can hit the US within 30 minutes of being launched. That's how long it takes for an ICBM to travel across continents and destroy a city. The defenses of the United States combat this danger. Before we dive into comprehending the U.S. defense system, it's critical to first understand the nature of the threats, which Timeless Arsenal will provide you. To better understand the level of danger, these defense systems are made to counter threats, particularly those posed by MOD missiles. These weapons are not just conventional or simple long-range missiles. They are strategic instruments that have the capacity to cause unthinkable devastation that could wipe out millions of lives and reduce major cities to rubble. Additionally, their destructive power has the potential to alter not just one country but the entire world, with long-lasting effects that cannot be undone. Presented by these missiles, we must examine one of the most horrifying nuclear weapons that a contemporary superpower is capable of possessing. Satan II is another name for Russia's Ish-28 Sarmat. This is among the most potent intercontinental ballistic missiles that can deliver devastating nuclear warheads. The goal of developing the Ish-28 Sarmat was to outperform all current missile defense systems worldwide. This missile poses a serious threat to any nation, even those with the most sophisticated missile defense systems, because it can hit targets at incredibly long ranges and is outfitted with cutting-edge technologies to avoid detection and interception by defense systems. The Ish-28 Sarmat can be transported by rail from the manufacturing site to military units, or mounted on 4-axle trailers pulled by heavy-duty trucks. It is launched from silos that resemble those used for the Reichstag's M2 Voivode missile. The manufacturer states that the Reichstag's M2 Voivode missile has a launch weight of 4,8,600 L and measures 116.5 feet long by 9.8 feet in diameter. The missile's main components are lightweight, durable magnesium and aluminum. Its alloys allow it to transport a heavy load. According to the U.S. Missile Defense Project, composite materials are also utilized in its launch and storage containers to lessen radar detection. A single Satan II missile can unleash destructive power equal to 8 megatons of TNT, which is 400 times more potent than the atomic bomb the U.S. dropped on Japan in 1945, according to Russian media. The Satan II missile can carry 10 large warheads, 16 smaller ones, or 24 U-74 hypersonic glide vehicles. Satan II is especially dangerous because of its advanced countermeasures, in addition to its power. It has highly advanced decoys and penetration AIDs that interfere with missile defense systems. Multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle MV technology allows Satan II to launch multiple warheads at once. Once the missile reaches 0.56 thousand, Satan II increases infinite to the number of fractal it transpires it follows. It can carry 10 to 15 nuclear warheads, each of which is estimated to have yields in the tens of megatons. With a range of 1,1,2,0 miles, the missile can reach any location in the United States. It also has a number of decoys to trick adversary defense systems. The RD-274 engine powers the Ish-28 Sarmat's initial stage, and its warheads can reach Mach 20.7 or 15,800 mph, with a convoluted trajectory that makes intercepting Satan II nearly impossible. The Ish-28 Sarmat is not only a very potent intercontinental ballistic missile, but it can also launch hypersonic glide vehicles, or HGVs, which can reach speeds greater than Mach 5 time zone. HGV's most notable characteristics is their capacity to alter their flight direction mid-course, which makes it very challenging for conventional defense systems to track and intercept them. Because of this adaptability, HGVs can avoid contemporary missile defense systems like interceptors, made to counter conventional ballistic missiles. These abrupt course changes make it nearly impossible to predict and lock on to targets.